how men can improve their fertility naturally with simple ingredients. That is what I want to share in this video. So you are most welcome to this channel. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. If today is your first time to come across this channel, consider to be a member of this channel by hitting the like button. Subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell so that you get notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. Now, how can a man or men improve their fertility in a natural way with simple ingredients? It is very good for every man to improve his fertility as a man. With this, that is when he will perform well and also have a good productive system. Every man needs to be fertile and every man needs to improve his fertility. And how can this happen? It is through simple measures, but it is all about using simple ingredients. What are the ingredients that will help a man to improve his fertility? The ingredients are many, but I am going to call 3 powerful ingredients that will help every man to improve his fertility. After daily intake of food, let every man consume fruits and vegetables. Yes, what are the fruits and vegetables? The fruits are, number 1 is avocado pear. Yes, this avocado pear improves fertility both in male and female. This avocado pear improves or makes semen or sperm healthy, and with this it will improve every man's immune system and also improve his fertility. The second fruit every man needs to consume to improve his fertility naturally is to always consume carrots. Yes, if a man consumes carrots help to improve fertility because it contains a large quantity of water which will improve his blood flow and blood circulation. And too much water in carrots can also help to boost immunity. And with good immunity, it will result to good fertility. So with good immunity, it will also make a man to perform well. So that is why every man needs to consume carrots as much as he can. Number 3 natural ingredients that will help every man to improve his fertility naturally is for a man to always consume pineapple. This pineapple is very important. Why? Because it replaces wounded tissues and also improve our health and also improve our fertility. Pineapple has enough ingredients which also make every man or every human being to gain a good fiber, and with a good fiber from pineapple it can result to a good nitric oxide, good blood flow, and also make every human being to perform well. And when you consume pineapple on daily basis, for those that have wounded tissues, pineapple will help you to replace wounded tissue as fast as possible. So these are the 3 best natural ingredients that will help a man to improve his fertility. Vegetables are spinach is a good vegetable. Pumpkin leaf is also a good vegetable. Garden egg leaf is also good. So on and so forth. So these are the natural measures or natural ways every man, every male can use to improve his fertility. And with this, it will make a man to live a healthy life, to perform well, and to also last longer. So this is what I want to share in this video, and I strongly believe that you get value from these natural tips. Apply it in your real life. You will be a man that will always perform well, live long, and live healthy. So thank you for watching. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. In fact, comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Like and share this video to your friends and families. I wish you good luck, success, good performance as a man. See you in my next video. Bye.